Hey guys, today things are gonna get a little spicy. We're at the Avery Island, Tabasco, so we're gonna go take the tour and see what it's all about. Hey guys, so we are going to start the tour here. It's $12 a person. It takes about an hour or so, depending on how fast you go, how much you want to read about. This here is they call it the family of flavors, and it's their different flavors. This says that this is a chunk of solid rock salt that is from the Avery Island mine.
This begins in the pepper fields on Avery Island. Each fall harvest, a McElhenney family member selects only the finest plants for extracting seed stock. Come February, the seeds are planted in the greenhouse where seedlings grow to be about a foot tall by April and are ready to be planted in the fields. By August, these seedlings have become mature pepper plants whose pods turn from green to yellow to orange and finally to a bright red. The ripe red peppers are hand-picked, ground the same day into mash, mixed with a little salt, and placed into white oak barrels, where it will age in our barrel warehouses for up to 3 years. After aging, the mash is inspected by a McElhenney family member. The approved mash is sent to blending, where it is mixed with high-quality vinegar for 2 to 3 weeks. The sauce is then run through a mill to remove the pepper skins and seeds before it heads to bottling. Automated bottling lines fill, cap, label, and seal each bottle before it is placed in a carton, then boxed to be shipped around the globe. Today, we produce hundreds of thousands of bottles per day.
So these are the...
This is like, so when it was established in 1868, and that's all the presidents over the year.
That's cool. Cool.
McElhenney car.
Nice.
Avery Island, Tabasco. Look how tall this thing. Hey guys, so it's called a window into the bamboo. In McElhenney, he planted over 65 variants of the bamboo on Avery Island. We're gonna go into the Tabasco greenhouse, see what it's all about.
The white colors, the yellow, the orange, the red.
Different colors of the stages that the pepper goes through. Oh, this is their habanero. Again, all the different colors that it goes through. This is the jalapeno. Oh, okay, this is the barrel museum, but here's some more peppers out here, going from one greenhouse to the barrel. More peppers growing.
So from what we heard, the Tabasco goes in the barrels for 3 years before it's even sent for the final stages of preparation for it's sent to the stores. Very cool. Alright, so here's the barrels with salting on top, waiting for 3 years. That's a lot of hot sauce. Alright, we're going into the Tabasco 1868 restaurant. We're gonna go do a little lunch in between the tour. So what'd you order, Pam?
I ordered chicken and sausage gumbo.
Nice. And I got the spicy Tabasco chili. So I got the spicy chili. And Pam got the gumbo. Nice. We are going inside the building now. We've been touring the outside of the Tabasco factory. We're gonna go check out inside. Let's go.
Alright guys, so the tour is labeled 1 through 8, I believe. So this is number 4, and this is where they do the blending of the Tabasco. Number 5, Avery Island Experience. Let's go see.
Salt mines, Avery Island. Now brings us to number 7, a boiling line. So all the factory workers work.
Hey guys, if you've never had it before, Tabasco on black eyed peas, delicious.
Or potatoes, or onion rings, or pasta. So it's the weekend, so nobody's working. But it looks like a busy place.
Yes.
And we're heading to number 8.
A little bit spicy and a little bit sweet.
I think you're more spicy. Looking at all Tabasco products?
Yeah.
So Pam's fixing to try the Tabasco ice cream. And which flavor is it?
This is raspberry chipotle.
Raspberry chipotle.
Okay. Let's see. That's really good. That's really good, guys.
So the sauces get hotter as you go, and then they get into barbecue sauce. And I think somebody sees you can only buy here, right? Now all of them in stores. And Pam's trying one of the barbecue sauces.
Which one do you want to try?
Whichever one you want.
Not problem.
You're going to do that. Let's do the jalapeno mesquite.
It's good?
Very. Cayenne garlic's good.
How much difference?
Try that one, Audie.
Hey, thanks for watching. And as always, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button and leave us comments, and we'll get back to you. Also, stay tuned for next week, and we'll show you the other part of Tabasco Avery Island.